The purpose of this video is to train you how to load accessorial charge into the logistics portal. First up by going to the login page and logging in either as yourself or the administrator of the customer that you're trying to add the accessorial charges to. The customer, you log in, you have to first create an accessorial. So first, masters, accessorials, come to this screen, and it'll either have some in there or it will be blank, and we're going to add a new accessorial. To accessorial, the accessorials must be in sync with the accessorials that exist in Algex brokerage. We recommend that you use our accessorial master file, which can retrieve from our download page on our website, or you can get it from support. So let's take, for instance, we're going to do a liftgate required at delivery. Add that charge here. So we're going to, first it would be LGD would be the rate, the code, and then gate delivery charge would be the description, and you would save it. Saved, then we went and add the accessorial charges. So first you would go to Rate Management, tab, go to Accessorial Charges, and here's where we would add the accessorial charges. Accessorial charges, if you're in the admin level, you can see multiple customers and multiple profiles. And we're working here within the LTL demo, so you want to view what's in that particular file. And here we can also do accessorial charges at the movement level, which is at the lane level. And it can be seen by looking at the management training module. Carrier level, where you can add accessorials at a particular carrier level, or profile level, which would be a default accessorial charge if you did not have a charge at the lane level or the carrier level. So we're going to start off at the carrier level. And we'll say that in this level, we're going to look for, we're going to add a charge for Federal Express Freight, and we're going to add that liftgate charge. So we would select from the, first of all, we would select the customer's demo. File is LTL demo, whatever profile you're working in, and this carrier within that profile is FedEx Freight. Here, select the accessorial that you're trying to build the charges for, and we have a liftgate delivery charge. We're going to have minimum charge is the minimum amount you would want to charge the customer for that particular rate. Now, if it's a flat rate, the minimum would be the flat rate, and we're going to do an example of a flat rate and explain other types of rates that may be out there also. So if gate charge was $50, you would add a minimum of 50. You could put the maximum as 50 or anything above that. The rate would be 50 also. And the rate pertains to the accessorial rate type over here, where this is going to be a flat rate, cost per pound, a cost per pallet, cost per hundredweight, a percentage of freight, fuel, or a combination of those. And within that, you would have had a different maximum and different rate. For example, if it was a cost per pound, you may put in here the maximum is $1,000. The rate is $1 a pound, and it's from 1 to 20,000 pounds. The flat rates, we're going to leave it at the minimum 50, the maximum 50. The rate is 50. It's from 1 to 20,000 pounds. It's a flat rate, and the include means I don't want included always. If I wanted to include this charge on every single charge for this particular profile or carrier, I could, but in this instance I'm not. And do yes means that I want the customer to be able to view it in the carrier selection and bill of lading tools so they could select this if they needed it. And update this and demonstrate where it shows up now on the carrier selection tool. Just added liftgate charge of $50 for FedEx, and if you go to accessorial, the selection, see now that it's showing here as a view yes for that particular profile in carrier. I'm going to rate management and say that so if the LTL demo or the SAC at X freight a liftgate delivery charge. I have to do this for every carrier that I have a liftgate delivery charge, or I could then go and build one at the profile level. At profile level, it means that if the carrier specific level does not have a rate in it, an accessorial charge, that it will default to the profile level. So it add a profile charge. Go to liftgate delivery. All charge, if the carrier doesn't have it, is $75. The maximum is $75. The rate is $75. The weight 1 to 20,000 pounds. It's a flat charge. Include no and view yes are the options. Now, regardless of the carrier, if it cannot have a rate in there, it would have a charge of $75 for a liftgate delivery fee. And I'll demonstrate this now. Liftgate in the rate correction tool. We're in the customer Algex demo, profile TL demo. We're going to put in a rate from 38119 to 6006. We're going to put in 1,500 pounds, and we're going to ask for a liftgate delivery charge on this shipment, and it will go out and rate all the carriers out there that have a in the system. It'll take those rates, and you get for FedEx Freight, the lift delivery charge is $75. As for all carriers. So every carrier now has a default rate of $75 in the system. Questions, you could contact support or logistics accessorial charges in the module.